Hi folks, it's Cindy with the Children's Science Explorium, and I thought I would do a science experiment with you today. This is going to be elephant toothpaste. You may have heard of it before, and I wanted to do this one because there are a lot of ingredients that you already have in your house, like dish soap, yeast, hydrogen peroxide, and warm water, and maybe some food coloring to spice it up a little bit. All right, so you want to use a bottle. You can use a recycled bottle like I have here. I'm going to put a funnel in the bottle. And we're doing hydrogen peroxide, half a cup. All right, squirt about a teaspoon. Doesn't have to be perfect, of dish soap. Gently swirl, not shake, you don't want it to be bubbly. Then the food coloring part. I like putting it along the edges so that way when the experiment goes off, it has a line in it. Now, we'll put that to the side and we'll prepare the yeast. You need warm water. It activates the yeast. A little cup. You want 2 tablespoons of water. To 1 teaspoon of yeast. This is a great part for the kids. They stir it up until it's all mixed in. Takes about a minute. Okay, I am ready for the experiment. All right, here we go. Remember, when you're pouring the yeast, try to do it all at once. And then remove the funnel as fast as you can so you can see the reaction come out of the bottle. And it's going to go 3, 2, 1. It looks like toothpaste. And it's perfectly safe. All it is oxygen and soap. So you can play with it. The hydrogen peroxide has been completely changed by the yeast.